Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top vegetables that you can grow in fall and winter. Growing your own vegetables during cooler months can be very rewarding, and it's a great way to make sure you have fresh produce all year round. Number 1. Kale is a hardy, vitamin-packed vegetable that can tolerate cooler temperatures. It's easy to grow and can even survive below zero temperatures. Kale is also very versatile and it can be used in a variety of meals, such as salads, soups, and stir-fries. Number 2. Spinach is another cold-tolerant vegetable that can be grown in the fall and winter. Like kale, spinach also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a healthy body. It's best to sow spinach seeds directly in the ground as it doesn't transplant well. Number 3. Carrots are an excellent vegetable to grow during the cooler months. Carrots are root vegetables that can withstand the cold, and they actually taste sweeter when they experience a frost. The great thing about growing carrots in the winter is that you won't have to worry about pesky carrot flies. Number 4. Brussels sprouts are a winter staple that belongs in every garden. These mini cabbages are packed with vitamins and are very easy to grow. They take about 100 days to mature, so make sure to plant them before the first frost. Number 5. Cauliflower is another cruciferous vegetable that can be planted in the fall. Cauliflower is a nutritious vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked. It's important to protect the delicate cauliflower from frost by covering it with a frost blanket. Number 6. Broccoli is a cool season vegetable that can be planted in late summer for fall harvesting. Broccoli is rich in vitamins and minerals, and it's delicious when roasted or sautéed. Make sure to provide ample watering for this thirsty plant. Number 7. Lettuce is a fast-growing vegetable that's perfect for fall and winter. Lettuce can be planted towards the end of summer, and it will continue to grow well into the cooler months. There are many different types of lettuce to choose from, so pick your favorite variety and start planting. Number 8. Garlic is a must-have for any winter garden. Garlic is easy to grow and it's packed with flavor. It's important to plant garlic in the fall so that it can establish its roots before the winter frost arrives. Number 9. Parsnips are a root vegetable that's great for roasting or making soup. Parsnips can tolerate the cold, and they actually become sweeter when they're exposed to frost. They take about 120 days to mature, so make sure to plant them in the early fall. Number 10. Turnips are a versatile root vegetable that's perfect for fall and winter. They're easy to grow, and they can be used in a variety of dishes such as stews, soups, and roasted vegetables. Turnips will also grow well in containers, making them perfect for small gardens. And that concludes our top 10 list of vegetables to grow in fall and winter. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful. Let us know which vegetables you're planning on growing in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.